Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. As part of the today's session, let us see one small interesting concept for which I have a created one spec file. That's gonna be a source demo login to. That's what the spec file that I have created. If you look at it, this contains just a basic source demo login program. Let me try to run it and see. So whenever the script is it's trying to execute it, the browser is coming in a minimized mode. If you look at it, so ideally, in any browser, when you start your execution, the browser would be in a maximized mode. But here in a Playwright, when you start your execution, if you look at it, basically the browser is in a minimized mode. It's not in a full lengthy maximized mode. Now, how exactly we can configure this particular maximizer mode? Ideally, we can do that particular configuration as part of our configuration file itself. Let me open this Playwright configuration file. Inside your project, under this particular use, you can define a viewport. And here, for this particular viewport, you need to define the width. How much is the width? Width is the, okay, let me change this correction. Yeah, width. How much is the width? Followed by how much is the height that you want to adjust for this particular screen. Width means is the horizontal one, and the height means the vertical one. How would I know, Surendra, what exactly my width and as well as a height? So here, the simple thing here is there is a small website, basically viewportsizer.com. If you set your browser, see here, I'm just reducing my browser size. The viewport, it's changing the size accordingly. As of now, I kept my browser in a full maximized mode, and I do see that the width is 1440 and the height is 713. Okay, so here the width is 1440 and the height is gonna be, okay, the height is gonna be 713. That's it. I just adjusted my port for this one, and I don't want this project. Let me comment this particular project for now. Okay, only one project which has this particular viewport. Now let me open that particular program that we have created, and let me try to run this program and see. If you observe the difference, this time the browser is launching in a maximized mode. Earlier, the browser was launching in a minimized mode, and the browser was launching in a maximized mode. So, depending on the size, whatever you want, you can set the size and you can just execute your program. Okay, and in the upcoming sessions, if you look at the next videos, the browser is not in a maximizer mode. Before execution of your test script, check your port and update your port in the configuration file so that all your test scripts, whatever you are creating, in which the browser would be in a maximized mode, guys. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.